Welcome back to Profit Quests, the family that keeps you ahead in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into an underrated yet powerful Depin project that holds immense potential. Many of our community members have already started mining it, but a lot of you may not be aware of this opportunity. The registration process isn't straightforward. It requires a bit of guidance, which is exactly why I'm making this video. There are 2 ways to register for this project, and I'll be walking you through both methods step by step. Stick around till the end to ensure you don't make any mistakes, as this project is very close to listing. It has strong backing, and currently, only 300 million tokens have been mined. The total supply isn't confirmed yet, but it could be below 500 million. Make sure to follow along carefully, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, join our Telegram channel through the link in the description, where I share new airdrop opportunities and the latest crypto updates daily. The project I'm discussing today is called HYRA AI. It's a Depin project with 2 ways to register. You can either download and sign up via the mobile app or register through Telegram and later link your account. I'll take you through the entire process to ensure you set up your account correctly. If you prefer registering through the mobile app, the first step is to download it. The app is available on the Play Store under the name HAI. Once installed, open the app and select the sign-up option. Enter your details, and when prompted for a referral code, use the one provided in the video description and on our Telegram channel. After successfully signing up, you can start earning HYRA tokens. The first earning method is by training AI. To do this, keep your mobile data on and ensure the app runs in the background. Tap on the center option at the bottom of the app, and an auto switch will appear. Enable it, and the AI training will begin automatically. Every 20 seconds, the system will mine and credit you with a fraction of a HYRA token. As long as the app is running and your internet is on, the process continues seamlessly, generating tokens in the background. Another way to earn is by completing tasks. Head to the task section within the app, where you'll find various activities to complete. Finishing these tasks will reward you with additional tokens. One crucial step you must complete is KYC verification. You can find this option under the profile section at the bottom right. To verify your account, provide the necessary identity details and complete the verification process. If you encounter any issues using the app, you can mine via Telegram instead. Telegram provides an easier mining experience, and both platforms are interconnected. If you wish to switch, go to the profile section of the app and link it to the HYRA AI Telegram bot. Once linked, your token balance will be synced across both platforms. For those who prefer to start with Telegram, follow these steps. Click on the registration link provided in the description to access the Telegram bot. Once you start the bot, it will guide you through the setup. The Telegram interface is similar to the app, but offers additional features. In the Telegram bot, there is a task section where you can claim 10 free HYRA tokens every 12 hours. Additionally, there are weekly combo tasks that grants 6 extra tokens upon completion. Another way to earn is through the daily check-in feature, which provides extra tokens just for logging in each day. Other tasks are also available within the bot, including KYC verification. Completing these tasks will maximize your earnings. The Telegram bot also features a pre-market section where users can eventually sell their tokens for USDT. However, the selling option is not fully enabled yet due to a lack of buyers. This means that trading is expected to become available once more users start participating, similar to what we experienced with previous projects like Athene Network before their main token generation event. For additional earnings, the bot includes a game section with a spinning wheel and a mystery box feature. The spinning wheel allows you to earn HYRA tokens randomly, while the mystery box feature presents 3 boxes to choose from, each containing a hidden reward. These are fun ways to accumulate extra tokens. Another important section in the Telegram bot is the cluster section, where you can find your referral link. You can invite others to join and earn additional rewards. After completing all tasks, the final step is to link your Telegram bot to the mobile app. To do this, go to the profile section in the Telegram bot and select the Install HYRA app option. Sign up using the same details, and your account will be linked, including your email and wallet. If prompted for a referral code during the process, use the one provided in the video description. The HYRA AI platform is designed to integrate seamlessly with the TON wallet, which will be connected automatically upon registration. Additionally, this project has an active community on WhatsApp, where members discuss their experiences, troubleshoot issues, and share updates. The link to the WhatsApp group is also provided in the description if you need extra support. HYRA AI is preparing for its listing and will launch on the Base blockchain. The developers chose Base due to its low gas fees and high transaction speed, making it an efficient network for scalability. This means transactions will be processed quickly and at minimal cost. Since the project is still in its early stages, now is the best time to join. If you can accumulate between 500 to 1,000 HYRA tokens, you stand a good chance of earning substantial USDT once the listing occurs. That's all for today's video. Get started as soon as possible, complete all tasks, and ensure your KYC verification is done. I will keep you updated on any new developments in our Telegram channel, so make sure you join through the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.